I hit something, don't know what. I'm gonna have to fix that. We're gonna get these blades off. We're gonna grind a bit to sharpen them and fix stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty bad. That's a pretty serious nick. And I'm gonna have to take back quite a bit on this blade. But if I take it back on this side, it means I'm gonna have to take it back on this side. But equally, it's got some damage too. I must have run over a rock. As I'm working on it, I'm not always hitting it right first spots. So this is going to be a little bit more tricky because I got to get these off. Got to get this down to nice clean metal here so it's a straight line. Because that's it's not going to cut grass very well. So I'm going to keep working on it. Fortunately, I've got something to do on the other side too. So I'm just going to keep working at this until I get it. Yeah, I think that's going to work just fine. Okay, we're going to hang this up with a pin. Over here, I got a pin in the wall, and it's there for all kinds of reasons. As I move the blade around, just to see if the blade's going to stay in one spot. And it's a bit heavy on this side, which means that I've taken a lot more material off on that side than I have on this side. So I have to go back to the grinder here and grind down this side just a bit more. We're talking not a lot. Now I'm going to go just a hair more. We could do this all day. That's one down. The other ones are going to be just as easy. I'm pretty sure that's going to cut grass. Let's just make sure now that we're still reasonably balanced. Looks pretty good to me. Yep, looks good to me. So I'm going to be putting these back on. Now when you're putting your blades back on, always line them up in this manner where you've got them 90 degrees to the one beside it. Since I've been aligning my blades like this, I've never had a problem. And it was actually one of my neighbors that told me to line it up like this, and I've been doing it ever since. And I guess he was smart enough for me to listen to. And I'll get one more over here if I can reach it. I sure like the impact gun for this kind of thing because it's fun. Yeah, it's pretty close. Yeah, that's pretty good, eh? That's pretty good. I like that. All right. That's about it for doing blades. Thanks for sticking around. If this is your thing, stick with me. I got all kinds of maintenance that we do when you got an old house. What you do? Yeah, that's not very pretty, is it?